The noises you make are cute, and I will remember them.
Can we get a Takako Noises compilation of just her screaming and crying at Monkey Ball? Make it yourself, you coward. It's not a C! It's fine. Oh no, I thought yellow! Wow. The baby? Yellow! Give me up! Oh, I'm so nervous. What is this difficulty spike? Hold on. Turn. Shut up, Flea. It's a. Don't. Oh God, sorry. Shut the fuck up. Oh. Oh. Shut the fuck up. Okay. Easy. I think ending with a positive banana count is pretty impressive, if you ask me. I mean, that's just something I think, though, you know. It's not like necessarily true or whatever.